MEX, formerly known as mexc, is considered a top 20 cryptocurrency exchange, particularly noted for its extensive selection of cryptocurrencies, boasting around 2,800 tokens and 2,900 trading pairs, significantly more than major exchanges like Coinbase and Binance. Here's a summary of what you should know about MEX in 2025, key features and advantages. Zero-fee spot trading. MEX stands out by offering 0% fees for spot trading, which is a major advantage for active trading. Wide variety of cryptocurrencies. It provides access to a vast array of crypto assets, including many rare, low-cap tokens not available on larger platforms, giving traders unique opportunities. Advanced trading options. MEX supports margin trading, futures markets with up to 200x leverage, and F indices, catering to diverse trading strategies. Copy trading. The platform is well suited for copy trading, offering detailed analytics to help users select top-performing traders to copy. Mobile app. MEX offers a user-friendly mobile app for both Android and iOS, facilitating trading on the go. Security. MEX emphasizes security with measures like proof of residence every 2 months, 2FA, and multi-factor biometric scanning, and has a good security track record with no history of hacks. No mandatory kicking. Account creation. Without mandatory kick, allows for quick access to deposits and crypto transfers, though trading restrictions may apply. User experience. MEX is considered easy to use with a straightforward interface, especially the mobile app. Charts are reportedly fast and accurate, crucial for effective trading. P2P trading is available and user-friendly. MEX in 2025 appears to be a strong option for traders, particularly those interested in a wide selection of cryptocurrencies and low fees, especially the 0% spot trading. It caters well to day traders, leverage traders, and those interested in copy trading. However, users should be aware of the limitations in fee withdrawals and mixed reviews regarding customer support.